How to allow TikTok access to your camera and microphone. So in TikTok, if you wanted to add something here, you would have to open your settings and go through and allow access to your camera and microphone. So what we can do is you can either go through your settings through here or go through your settings on your phone. So I'm just going to hit open settings, and that's going to immediately bring me to the TikTok app on my settings. If you back out, we can go to your settings and go to apps at the very bottom and go ahead and type in TikTok. There it is here. And then go through and put these accesses on. So we can go to photos, and as you see, it put on full access for your photos. And then if you also want your microphone on, you can go ahead and toggle that on. And that's it. From this point forward, you can add things in TikTok and you'll be able to access your photos, your videos, and be able to use your microphone.